Apple Notes just received an epic transformation in iOS 26, and it's got users buzzing with excitement and a touch of debate. Imagine your go-to note-taking app evolving into something sleek and intuitive. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this overhaul a game changer or just unnecessary fluff? Stick around to uncover the details and decide for yourself how these updates might revolutionize your daily scribbles. Apple Notes has long been one of Apple's most diligently refined apps, with regular enhancements that keep it fresh and functional. Think back to the iOS 18 updates that introduced clever features like enhanced collaboration. Now, iOS 26 delivers even more robust improvements, making Notes feel more essential than ever. Let's break it all down step by step, ensuring even beginners can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. First up, the standout feature is the innovative liquid glass design, a bold visual refresh that's redefining the app's look and feel. While the core layout stays recognizable, the entire interface has been modernized with sweeping UI changes that give it a polished, contemporary vibe. Picture buttons that are now more intuitive and elements repositioned for better flow. It's like giving your old favorite app a high-end makeover. For instance, the search function is now conveniently placed at the bottom of the screen, making quick lookups a breeze. Line spacing has been fine-tuned for improved readability, and the Notes toolbar now supports smooth horizontal swiping for easy navigation. Even the app icon has a fresh, updated appearance. Overall, this comprehensive redesign strikes a perfect balance, feeling both comfortable and invigorating. A nod to Apple's knack for evolution without alienation. But here's where it gets controversial. Some users might argue this is just cosmetic, wondering if it truly adds value or if it's distracting from the app's core purpose. What do you think? Is a shiny new look worth the learning curve? Addressing the potential clutter from all the new tools added over recent years. iOS 26 introduces a smart, adaptive toolbar that's designed to prevent feature overload and keep things streamlined. As you type new content or highlight existing text for editing, this dynamic toolbar appears above your keyboard, adapting its displayed options based on your current task. For example, when working with basic text, you'll see familiar choices like bold, italics, underline, and standard formatting tools. But select multiple lines and it shifts to prioritize list creation, indentation controls, and similar utilities, putting the most relevant features right at your fingertips. This way, Apple aims to minimize digging through menus, though you can still swipe for additional options if needed. It's a clever solution to the growing complexity of Notes, making it feel more user-friendly and less intimidating for newcomers. And this is the part most people miss. By anticipating your needs, it could encourage more creative note-taking, like organizing shopping lists or drafting outlines on the fly. Yet, is this level of automation taking away the fun of exploring tools manually? Feel free to share your take in the comments. Now for a feature that's sure to intrigue tech-savvy users. Notes now offers Markdown import and export capabilities, albeit with some limitations. Markdown, a simple text formatting tool created by John Gruber, allows writers to use plain text that's easy to read and write, then convert it to HTML for web publishing. It's popular among bloggers and developers for its straightforward syntax, like using asterisks for emphasis or hashes for headings. In Notes, you can write entire notes in Markdown and export them seamlessly via the share sheet, preserving the raw text for use elsewhere. Importing works similarly through the share sheet or menu bar on iPad, making it handy for bringing in external files. However, Notes doesn't apply styling to the Markdown within the app itself. No automatic italics or bold rendering here. Copying and pasting Markdown won't trigger conversions, so it's more of a bridge for exporting. This addition caters to productivity enthusiasts who juggle multiple platforms, but here's where it gets controversial. Critics might say it's half-baked without full in-app support, questioning if Apple is truly embracing open formats or just dipping a toe in. If you're a Markdown fan, does this change how you approach note-taking? Exciting news for Apple Watch owners. iOS 26 and watchOS 26 finally bring Notes to your wrist, expanding accessibility like never before. You can now view all your notes directly on the Watch app, with pinned ones prominently displayed at the top for quick access, mirroring the iPhone experience. But the real gem is the ability to create brand new notes right from your watch, powered by dictation support, perfect for capturing thoughts during a run or in a meeting without fumbling for your phone. This feature enhances the watch's utility as a standalone device, but could it encourage over-reliance on voice notes, potentially sacrificing the precision of typed entries? Voice your opinion below. Lastly, for those who enjoy artistic expression, the Tool Palette. Designed for Apple Pencil but usable on iPhones too, gains a Read Pen option in iOS and iPadOS 26. This new tool simulates traditional calligraphy with preset stroke angles, letting you add elegant handwritten flourishes to your notes. It's a delightful addition for creative souls, turning notes into a canvas for personalization. Imagine doodling invitations or journaling with a vintage script feel. Does this blur the line between utility and art, or is it a welcome enhancement? With all these updates, which new Apple Notes feature in iOS 26 has you most thrilled? The liquid glass redesign, the Adaptive Toolbar's smarts, Markdown support, watch integration, or the Read Pen's creativity? Share your thoughts and any counterpoints in the comments. Are these changes innovative leaps or minor tweaks that don't justify the hype? While you're exploring notes, don't forget to check out some top iPhone accessories to complement your setup. AirPods Pro 3 for immersive audio on the go, link to Amazon. AirTag 4-pack, now at a steal for just $65, down from $99. To keep track of your essentials, link to Amazon. MagSafe car mount for secure, hands-free iPhone use during drives, link to Amazon. 10-year AirTag battery case 2-pack for extended tracking reliability, link to Amazon. 100-watt USB-C fast-charging power adapter to power up quickly, link to Amazon. Stay updated by adding 9 to 5 Mac to your Google News feed, link. FTC, we earn commissions from affiliate links. Learn more, link.